Enneagram Workshop, 9 personality types. Which one are you? At Broward Spiritist Society in Pompano Beach, Florida, Sunday, February 10th, 2019, from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Lunch and coffee break included. Donation $30. Limited seats available. Who can benefit from this workshop? People who work with alternative medicine or holistic healing, health, yoga, massage, and other body-based or energetic therapy. People who feel lost and without purpose. People experiencing relationship problems. Psychics and mediums. People who work in psychological and counseling fields. People who have had enough of the living with the status quo of life and want change. Liberate yourself from the conditioned mind and meet your inner essence. Limited seats available. More information at browardspiritualsociety.com.